Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about how the day feel when it's a new year eve. So this is 2026 and is the first January of the month, which means it's the first day. And a lot of people are there who are celebrating. Uh, but in my case, I'm going to the office. During my way, I saw that the metro station is fully crowded. Seems like that people are going for vacation or they came back. They are going somewhere at least because today is first, which is 1st of January, and which is Thursday, and tomorrow is Friday, and then after that there is a weekends. I believe that the people are considering these holiday factors and they are traveling somewhere. Considering these things, let me be clear that in India, not everyone gets the 2 days off. But still, I thought that why not let's pick up this theory that the reason there is heavy rush in the metro station. So, but fortunately enough, the metro which came is totally vacant. There are ample amount of seats to adjust everyone because when you see people who are very less familiar with the metro, they generally move forward and they go at the front compartment where mostly it is for the women, and the second and third compartment then fill uh, with priority. But the people who usually travel, they know that where exactly the compartment they will find the vacant seat or less crowded. I used the same formula and I found out that the last compartment, last coach was totally vacant. I went there, I just sat, got a seat. Later it got crowded. But till the time it was not crowded, there was ample space. I saw the people are dressed nicely. Seems like that they have some party plan or they are heading towards some of their important tasks. It could be anything, meeting with their family members, meeting with their boyfriend or girlfriend. There could be a possibility, not sure of it. But the many majority of them are very nicely dressed. I saw all these things. Later, I realized that oh, whatever is happening, but I have to go to office. That is one of my priorities. So let me let me sit. Let me be enjoy my thing. So what I did, I just opened YouTube and checked my old podcast and saw that how I was speaking. Was there any mistake? Then I realized that I had a resolution that I have made for myself, which means that I need to practice 1 hour every day, or almost I have to upload 500 videos in this year without a miss. So that is my target, and that is what I am looking forward. For that, I am uploading many videos. Right now, I'm waiting for my office cab. Still, I got some time, so I decided why not I should record some video and upload it for my target that I'm looking forward. Because I am pretty much confident that there will be a days when I'm not going to upload any videos because of my other responsibilities. But still, so whatever time I have right now, I am uploading as much as video I can so that I can compensate those days where I'm not uploading a single video. So, so this is entire thing that I have suggested a while that I have told about the day one. I am just exited from the metro, waiting for my cab. My cab will be arriving shortly, but it is going to take almost 10 minutes. So right now the timing is 4, almost around the 4, 3:54. The cab timing that I can see that the estimated arrival is 4:10. That is a huge duration, and I need to spend my time. Well, so today when I was in the metro, when I was reading about, looking about the new things to learn or improve, then I found out that a difference between a sociopath and a psychopath. That was a very interesting topic being narrated by one of the YouTubers, where she was talking about what is the difference between these two things. There are some people who will love to see you suffer. They will enjoy it. They will play with your emotions, and there they doesn't have any empathy or anything important for you. So what there was one scientist, what he did, he just scanned their brain for many those psychopaths, and after that he realized that he made some conclusion. After that, he mixed multiple scans of his own family members, and finally, he found out that there is a one scan that is very much matching to his scans of the sociopath. So, after checking and after finalizing everything, he got out that these scans were of his own, and there are some other things that are also being matching from those psychopaths. So that is what he have concluded and found out that he is also the one of the psychopath. And he said that there was one of the famous quote that he has created for himself, where he said that I don't have empathy, I don't have emotion. I believe in fact that the reason I'm a psychopath. So this is what that he has quoted, but uh, but still I was not fully completed that podcast because I have to exit from the metro. I just my station was there. I'll listen that entire podcast and share my narration that what I have learned from it, what are the new things that I have identified. Till the time, if you have any resolution that you have made up for yourself, I would suggest you to keep focusing on your development, your improvement. Find out the things that you are missing on and improve it. Practice a lot. That's all, and have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.